your forecast with Storm Tracker Live.
And welcome back. You know, some folks took the festivities outdoors today, and the weather was happy to oblige. It was just gorgeous. We had highs about 75, but the temperatures are dropping quickly now. It's a dry air mass. We're already down to 52, on our way down into the 40s. But look at these temps today. A carbon copy of yesterday, more like something out of September. And here is why. We got a big high-pressure system sitting over the East Coast, but it's starting to wane, and our next front will be on the way quickly as we put it into motion. On our two-day forecast, it's kind of split into two lobes. It's that old peanut-shaped thing again. And what's going to happen is it's going to pinch off. It's going to pinch into two lobes. The weaker lobe's going to drift in the Gulf of Mexico. Let our next front come through quickly. It's a dry front. There's not any rain with it, but it means business. I mean, it's got air coming up. If I was 6'8", I might be able to reach up as far north as this air is coming from. It is some chilly stuff. We'll have our first freeze advisories for real on Saturday night. Now, as this thing continues into Saturday, the high-pressure system will be right on top of us. That means calm winds that'll allow those the cooler air to kind of sink down into the valleys with no wind, and it's going to get chilly in a hurry. Now, let's take a look at our travel forecast. If you were lucky enough to get a 4-day weekend, things are looking great, except for the Great Lakes. There's a little bit of a snowy system going through there, and there's also a system up in Seattle. Other than that, things look smooth. But look at Kansas City. High tomorrow, 42 after the front passes them. That's just a little indicator of what's coming our way. In the meantime, tonight, under partly cloudy to clear skies, it's a little bit chilly. Temps in the mid to high 40s. Generation schedule, only one in the morning based on power needs. Again, we'll probably use a little bit less tomorrow. People aren't working quite as much. And here comes our 7-day forecast. Simply awesome tomorrow, but here comes that little front. It's not actually a little front, it's just dry, but there's a lot of Arctic air behind it. We will have frost and freeze, widespread frost and freeze advisories Saturday night and a few more on Sunday. Warming up quite a bit on Monday in advance of our next system, and we got a legitimate shot of showers on Tuesday. Looking like that's going to come to pass. We could actually get some measurable rain out of that thing before things clear out Wednesday and Thursday, and that'll just about do it for your weather forecast. Just remember, all your local weather information is available on our website at dothanfirst.com/weather. Kevin.
Rob, thanks. It's not just turkey dressing and pumpkin